Can't start this vid off like that. Come on, girl. There it is. Woo! We're on Troll Trail, guys. Welcome back. Appreciate all the likes and comments, and numbers are rising, man. We're rising. We're growing, steady growing. Steady growing. And I just want to tell you guys, appreciate it. Love all the comments, man. It's pretty awesome. Just out here doing what we like, what we love. You guys seem to enjoy it. So let's get into it. For those of you that don't know, it's Troll Trail. Probably one of the tightest, overgrown, you know, tight, like I said, tightest, somewhat overgrown, gnarliest shingle they got here in Hollister. Oh, whoa, whoa! Almost washed out, dude. That was one of those quick, like, put your leg down, jam to your knee, ow, like, type things. You guys know what I'm talking about. Let's get flowing. So much butter in here, it's not even funny. We got enough butter for a whole loaf of bread, man. Epic. Woo. Just squeezing by all these little roots and, you know, things that could jump up and grab you. Branches, whoa, branches that could grab your bars. You know, you gotta flow with the trail. Stay loose. Stay loose like a goose. Yeah, stay on the pegs. Whoa. Wait a minute, what's going on here? A little bit tight. Tree in the way. That usually catches your brake. You gotta be careful right there. I'm trying to tell the buddy. Wow! Alright, let this guy know. Because we don't want him to take out his brake lever, dude. Or brake pedal. Stay there, girl. Stay. Stay. You're not gonna stay, are you? You're not listening. No, listen. Put you up against there then. Stay. Yeah, my knees suck, dude. Climbing this, they hurt. Old man shit. Hey, so when you come through here, just be careful with your brake pedal, because that thing will catch it and rip it right off. I've had a buddy do the same thing.
Well, actually, my brake pedal is freaking bent. I gotta bend it back down. It's bent upwards.
All right. But that thing will rip it right off, so just kind of like, you know, fish your bike around this tree and then around that root. Perfect. Oh yeah, see, your thing's already bended out too. It's right. Yeah, it's right on it. Lean it, got it? All right. All right, back on the move. Had to help him out, make sure he didn't break his, catch his brake lever on that root sticking out, because I've had a buddy do that, and we don't want to ruin his day. Oh, what the? Rock came out of nowhere. Came out of his home. He's like, I don't want to be stuck to this hill no more. I'm coming out. So yeah, we helped him out, and now we're back on the move. Troll Trail. Epic dirt. epic dirt. Love this trail. Trail's, whoa, dude. Thank God for the brakes. I got my head taken out right there, dude. I'm gonna break this off. Just see the seat, ready? Nope. Ain't going nowhere. Son of a gun. Let's see if we can clear that. That's pretty sketch, dude. All right.
That's okay, I can touch it.
That almost took me out though, dude. That's dangerous for other people. I was hard on the brakes. Hard on the El Bracos. Could have hit my El Hedo. Took my hell neck off. I don't want that for anybody, right guys? We're out here clearing trails. That's how we roll. Alright guys, good enough for this vid. Stay tuned for part 2, Troll Trail. Make sure you subscribe and share this video. Peace.